Hello my friends, did you know you can install multiple Python versions on the same Windows machine and switch between them safely? In this video of Joystick, I'll explain how the Python launcher for Windows Pi works and how professionals use it to manage different Python versions. So let's start the video. First we are going to check what Python versions are already installed on your system. To do that, we are going to click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu, write CMD in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, type Python space ---- version. Hit enter. This is going to show you the default Python version currently mapped in path. For me, currently it is Python 3.12.10. Let me now tell you that Windows installs something called the Python launcher, simply known as PY. This launcher lets you run any installed Python version explicitly. You can also use it to list all Python versions installed on your system. Simply type pi space -0 and hit enter. You can see I have 3 Python versions installed on my Windows 11 machine. -0 here means show all versions, and these versions are detected automatically. Now using the Python launcher, you can run a specific Python version. Let's say I want to check which version of Python 3.14 I have installed on my Windows 11 machine. The command to check that will be pi space -3.14 space ---- version. Hit enter and there you go. It shows that I have Python 3.14.2 installed on my Windows 11 machine along with Python 3.13 and Python 3.12. The main advantage of using Python launcher is you can choose exactly which Python version you want without touching the path variable. Many beginners try to switch Python versions by constantly editing the path variable, but that leads to broken setups and confusion. Now, when using multiple Python versions, you will feel the need to install libraries using a specific Python version. How to do that? Let me show you. First, let me show you how to check the version of pip installed with a specific Python version. Let's do that with Python 3.30. So you will write pi space -3.13 space -m space pip space ---- version. Hit enter and there you go. It shows the version of pip installed with Python 3.30, which is 24.3.1. Now let's install numpy using Python 3.30. The command to do that is very simple. You will write pi space -3.13 space -m space pip space install space numpy. Hit enter. There you go. The installation has begun. And it has begun using Python 3.13. You can see numpy has been successfully installed. Now this guarantees that the numpy library is installed for Python 3.13, not some other version. You can also create virtual environments using a specific Python version. Let's say I want to create a virtual environment using Python 3.14. Then the command is going to be pi space -3.14 space -m venv, that stands for virtual environment, and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it venv_314. Hit enter. If this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. Virtual environment has been successfully created. Now let's activate it. So write venv_314, that's the name of our virtual environment, /scripts/activate. Note that scripts here has been written with capital S. Hit enter and the virtual environment has become active. Now this project is fully isolated and tied only to Python 3.14. Let's deactivate this virtual environment using deactivate. So it's okay if Python points to the latest version or any other version. When you are in need, always use PY, that means Python launcher, to control the version. Let the path variable stay stable, use pi for precision. That should be the rule. And that's how you safely use multiple Python versions on Windows 11 using the Python launcher. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to use multiple Python versions on Windows 11. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.